Welcome to today's review where we're diving into the world of coffee with the GAVASTO hot and iced coffee maker. This sleek and versatile machine offers 3 brew modes to cater to your unique taste preferences. Whether you're craving a bold and strong brew, a refreshing iced coffee without dilution, or a classic balanced taste, this coffee maker has got you covered. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its versatility. With both K-Pod and reusable adapters included, you can brew a single-serve cup of coffee using freshly ground beans or the ultimate convenience of a coffee pod. Plus, both adapters are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. In just 3 minutes, you can enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee, eliminating the tedious chores of manual grinding, measuring, and brewing. The 40-ounce removable water reservoir allows you to brew multiple cups without constant refilling, perfect for hosting gatherings or simply indulging in your coffee passion. Maintenance is a breeze with the built-in KO reminder, ensuring optimal brewing performance and prolonging the lifespan of your coffee maker. And with its compact design, this coffee maker effortlessly fits into any countertop setup, making it perfect for home use or even taking on your travels. But remember, there are a few tips to keep in mind for the best brewing experience. Use only with US standard voltage, fill the reservoir with enough water before brewing, and for initial use, brew a cycle with water only to clean the machine and extract the essence of your coffee. Overall, the GAVASTO hot and iced coffee maker combines convenience, versatility, and great taste into one sleek package. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or simply love a good cup of joe, this machine is sure to elevate your coffee experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.